When people talk about YouTube changing their life, they are usually talking about million of views, number of subscribers, and all the huge success stories. But I am here to talk about something different, which is how YouTube changed my life even under 500 subscribers. And I know it sounds really strange, but let me explain it. Before that, welcome to my channel, Priyanka's Tea Talk. And if you're watching me for the first time, I welcome you to the space of healing, transformation, and becoming your best self. Now let's talk about how YouTube changed my life. So first thing that happened for me is that it gave me a voice. Before YouTube, I had thoughts, I had ideas, I had many things in my head, but there was not an outlet where I could talk about it and share my thoughts with people who might resonate with those thoughts. It gave me that platform to talk about it. To be very honest, it is really empowering to have your voice being heard even when there are only few people who are listening to you. When I read a comment, when I see those views, likes coming my way, people are actually listening to me and it might be helping them in some way. Definitely gave me a voice, it gave me a platform just from the comfort of my home. Second thing is that it helped me to build confidence. So definitely talking on videos, because I have all the control on the editing, so I know even when I speak something wrong, I can edit it. It helped me in my speech, it helped me in my vocabulary, because when I'm writing a script, when I am researching, I know that I have to learn something. It gave me confidence to share my ideas, and it does not matter if they are good or not. With continuous practice with making videos, definitely improved. So I'm glad about that. Third is that when people come to my channel, whoever subscribes to my channel, watch my video, they know what I talk about, what my niche is: yoga, meditation, self-help, improvement. So I have created that niche for myself. Even under 500 subscribers, I feel like there are people who look forward to watch me and who look forward to see my content, and I have a value. Definitely it has helped me to make my own personal brand, that too without too much of investing, just recording on my phone using this mic and a little light. The fourth thing that I learned in this journey is to be vulnerable. I used to think that my videos should be so perfect. I used to spend so many hours editing, and I used to feel like it's not good enough. After posting a video, I used to sometimes feel very shy to tell people that I have a YouTube channel and I have posted a video there. But with time, something switched inside of me, and I felt like I should own whatever I am saying. I should own my words. I should own work that I'm putting in this channel. I became more open and accepting to the fact that yes, people are watching me. They might be liking me, they might not be liking me. There might be people who are in my family circle, in my friend circle, who might be watching me. And that used to sometimes make me uncomfortable, that I don't know what are they thinking about me. But now I don't care, because I love making videos. I love to share my thoughts. I love to create my own personal brand, and in the niche that I'm already working, teach classes. So obviously it is an extension of that, and I should not be ashamed of that. So yes, I have learned to be vulnerable. I have learned to be okay with that, and I think that's a great learning. Fifth is that it taught me to be patient. I have learned to be patient with the growth. I know that trust builds with time, trust built with showing up regularly. If I keep showing up for myself, for my subscribers, it will definitely grow, and I'm seeing the growth. I'm not in hurry to reach somewhere. I am enjoying the process. That is a very good life skill also. Patience is something that we all are losing these days because of our environment, because of all the availability of things in just one click. All these things have made us really impatient, and I think I am now learning to be patient through this, and that has been really helpful. Next thing that it taught me is to show up authentically. Earlier, I used to try all the hooks. The way other people used to speak, I used to thought, let me also try this and talk in a certain way, or do certain things that everybody else is doing, or people that I follow on YouTube or other social media platforms. But what I've learned is that if you really want to connect with the people, you have to be authentic. You have to do things that you want to do, not what everybody else is doing, because then you won't be able to do it for a long time, because that is not who you are. So now I have learned to be authentic, and people who relate with my content will stay, and people who don't relate can leave, but that is totally okay, because authenticity will ultimately connect with the right kind of a people, and that is what I want. I want this channel to reach to the right people who wants to improve their life, who wants to become a better version of themselves, who wants to learn, who feel like whenever they have a bad day they can come here and listen to my video and feel better about themselves. So I think authenticity is something that is very important when it comes to creating videos on YouTube. Lastly, it connected me with stranger who feels like friend. This is the best part, the community. Even with less than 500 people, when somebody says that they love this video, they like this content, it really makes me happy, and it gives me that sense of satisfaction, and that is what I look forward to. It feels like finding my own people across the world. So yes, YouTube has changed my life. It has made my life better, and I am becoming a better person with each video, with each learning, with each lesson, creatively, mentally. So yes, we can say that even under 500 subscribers, YouTube has changed my life. And if you're also looking to start YouTube channel and you have your own fears and insecurities, don't listen to those fears or insecurities. Just start, and trust me, you will enjoy this process. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like, make sure you like, and do not forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you next time in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.